Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change typeset in WordPress. So firstly, you have to log into your WordPress account. So to do that, you have to go to the browser and search for wordpress.com. After you have logged into your WordPress account, this is the interface you're going to see. Now we are going to go to the right side here. You can see the quick links option and the edit site option. Click on the edit site option over here. It will take you directly to the editor's page of WordPress. As you can see, I have actually redirected to the editor's page of WordPress. After that, here you can see on the right hand side there is an option called styles. Click on the styles option over here, and here you can see the typography option. Click on the typography option, and these are the different elements available for your styles. So firstly, if you want to edit a text or make it look bigger, you can just click on M, L, or Excel, and then make sure to click on save. After that, you can browse through and select all of your styles, your fonts and everything. If you want to go to large or anything like that, you can just edit it from here. And after you are done, make sure that you click on the save button to save your actions. And that's how you can change typeset in WordPress. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.